Hey guys, I'm Matty Moto, and this is my 2015 Suzuki DR200. In this video, I'm going to give an overall review, 5 things I like and don't, aftermarket parts I have, and a sound test. So please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to start with things I do not like, and then move on to things that I like. And I'm also not going to be riding today or doing a test ride because the track is just way too nasty. I know some people, they like to ride, right after it rains when the dirt, is packed. But not me. I like to ride when it's dry. I would say the number one thing I don't like about this bike is there's no Kickstarter. And when the battery dies, you're screwed. The second thing I don't like about this bike is the shifter lever clearance. Now, I actually had to cut some of this chain guard right here just so I could lift it higher. The third thing that I don't like about this bike is probably the drum brakes. The fourth thing I don't like about this bike would probably be these turn segments. And the last thing I don't like about the bike was that it came with a really bad paint job. Now, start off with things that I like about the bike. I would probably have to say that I really like this clutch. It's just real soft. It doesn't take a lot of power to squeeze it. The second thing I like about the bike was the price. The third thing I like about the bike is, I would say, the ergonomics. Or the fourth thing I really like about the bike, and it might not be a big deal to you, but the seat. I love this seat. And the last thing I would say I like is the exhaust tone. So now I'm going to list all the aftermarket customized parts that I have on it. I'll put it in the description below too. The first thing, as you probably already can see, is that it is painted. Now, next thing would be these aftermarket goofit spark buster handguards. It also has a aftermarket clutch disc. Next thing would be the sprockets. It has a 14 tooth on the front and I think it's 52 on the rear sprocket. They're both sunstars. And the last thing would probably be gearbox mod, the dynojet stage 3 and the carburetor, and the DGR series. So overall, I love the bike. There's some things that I don't like, and there's things that I like. And the next thing would be the sound check. So this is a DGR series. I hope you liked the video, so please be sure to like, share, and subscribe.